This is a Super XL automatic, 1975, 58cc. This whole row is 58cc saws. It's 1975's Super XL automatic. This is an XL automatic. It's a Super, but it's called an XL automatic. This is a Canadian-made XL automatic. This is a US-made XL automatic, 1967. Another US-made XL automatic, 1965. A Super XL automatic, 1968. All these saws are automatic oilers with manual overrides, manual push-button assist. This is a 1970 Canadian-made XL 400, a 65cc saw. This is a American US-made XL 500. That's a 74cc saw. And this is a US-made XL 400. It's a 65cc saw. That's an XL. This is a Homelite 410 HGSL. That's handguard with safety lock. That's a 68cc saw. This next row are all 82cc automatic oiler with manual override. The first one is an XL 903. That's 82cc. The next one is a Canadian-made XL 902. The next saw is an XL 850. Next saw is an XL 800. And this last one is an XL 800 AM. The next row is also 82cc saws and all automatic oilers with manual overrides. This is a Super XL 922 made in Canada, a XL 923 made in the US, an XL 924W made in Canada, and a Super XL 925 made in Canada. Down here is an XL 98C, which is a multi-purpose saw, cuts metal or concrete depending on the blade. That was made in Canada. This is a Homelite Super Mini SL, predecessor to the VI saws, or vibrating isolator saws. This saw was. And it's a Super Mini SL, Canadian-made, 41cc. And that is a Super 1050, Homelite Super 1050. That's a 100cc saw. And I also have a Model 2000 that's 115cc. It's in the house. This is an XL 130, and it was made in Canada. 58cc automatic oiler with manual override, about 12 pounds. Behind it is a Super XL 130, 58cc saw, made in Canada also. The Super had electronic ignition, and it's made in Canada, so it's Canadian solid-state transistorized. The next saw is a 1968 58cc automatic oiler, XL 103, manual override, and behind it is a XL 102 automatic. It's an automatic oiler, XL 102 automatic oiler. Very hard to find the XL 102 in auto oiler with manual override. Again, all these are 58cc saws. This is an XL 123, and it's a 58cc saw. This one was made in the US, and another one back here, the XL 123 back here, that one's made in Canada. These two saws are Easy 250s. One's a 70, one's a 71, or a 71 and a 72. They were slightly different. These are 41cc saws, and they're pretty hard to come by. Down here we have a Super Easy automatic, and behind it a Canadian-made XL 76. And down here we have another Super Easy automatic and an Easy automatic, which was the smallest saw. It was a 37cc saw, but it's still an automatic oiler. On the bench, I have a XL 102 auto waiting on decals. And like I said, I have another saw on the way, another XL500, and then maybe a couple XL15s on the way.